Hello everyone, welcome to iSpecss. In this video, let's unbox the Boat Aavante 5 portable Bluetooth speaker and also take a quick look at it. And before this video begins, please subscribe to this channel for quality informative tech videos. Opening up the box, first we get a user manual. And then under that, the actual speaker. And beside the speaker, we get another small box. Let's see what's there inside. First we get micro USB cable for charging, which is normal. And along with that, we also get aux cable, that's nice. That's it inside. Coming back to the speaker, at the top it has a power button, volume up and down buttons, which they can also be used to change tracks while you are playing music by long pressing them. Then hands-free button to receive calls. Yes, this speaker has built-in mic, which is not so good actually. And this button is also used to switch between modes. At last, it has play pause button. Input ports are at the left side of the speaker, where you would find a micro USB charging port, a old school micro SD card port and aux in port. And at the front, it has a Boat logo sticked nicely to the cloth. This speaker is equipped with two 5-watt speakers installed side by side, which gives a 10-watt stereo sound output. The fabric cloth wrapped around is nice and looks very sleek and premium. And also the build quality of this speaker is very good. This speaker doesn't have any IP ratings, so better keep this out of reaching water. The sound quality of the speaker is crisp and good. It provides deep bass. Here is a sample recorded through the camera mic outdoor. Talking about the price, this speaker costs 2000 Indian rupees. In fact, I got it for 1500 rupees on a deal and it's available in two colors, premium black and slate grey, the one I have. Overall, this speaker is one of the best under 2000 rupees. Link to buy this product is given below in the description. Go check it out if you are interested or want to buy. Talking about the description, there you would find the subscribe button. Please click on that and get subscribed to iSpecss for more informative tech videos, and also ring the bell icon so that you will never miss any of our future videos. That's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed watching and end up liking it. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below with your opinions on this video, as this is my first unboxing video. Thanks a lot for watching. Let's meet again in our next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.